In a drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface, like that white bitch with the bye-bye. Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, I'm installing this beautiful freaking wig. It is from Arabella Hair Company. I'm going to leave all the details and links to this particular wig down in the description box, and make sure you check there. But I believe this is the Sand Blonde lace frontal wig. It is 24 inches. It is pre-bleached and it's being promoted as their Bye Bye Knots wig. And let me see what else. Oh, it is on a 3D dome cap, and I will say when it comes to the construction of this wig, it didn't have any adjustable straps, nor did it have any combs whatsoever. It only had an adjustable elastic band. This is the band that I actually really like. It has that silicone material on it, so it doesn't slide. I will say I'm not having any problems with like feeling like the wig is gonna come off. I'm sorry, my daughter is just all over the place dealing with a lot of my stuff, so sorry if you hear something in the background. But like I was saying, I don't really have any issues or feel like the wig is gonna come off. I did go ahead and install it with my Bold Hold Extreme Cream, so I mean, you really gonna have to snatch this wig off for it to come off. That ain't happening. So I went ahead and I did my normal prepping with this wig. So I went ahead and plucked the unit. You guys are gonna see how it looked before I plucked it and after. I didn't do as much plucking as I normally would because I didn't realize I needed to be plucked until like I'm sitting in front of the camera and I was like, whoa. So I did enough and I feel like it looks okay. So just know that you're going to have to do some plucking with it. I went ahead and I put my contour powder on the lace just so that it can really blend with my skin tone, and I normally don't skip that step ever. I just love how the lace looks after using my contour powder or foundation shade on the lace. So now I also want to mention that this company does have a pre-cut service, so you can elect to have that done when you are buying this wig if you don't want to deal with it. I mean, it's not really a big deal, although these pre-cut ready to wear wigs, I mean, it is really convenient. So if that's something that you want to do, this company does offer that. Now, let's get into how this wig curled. When I tell you, like, these curls are beautiful. When I think of some loose curls, this is what I'm talking about, okay? It is falling perfectly. Like, it holds the heat. The curls are not falling. I just freaking love how this hair came out. The density is perfect. The color job, everything. I love the appearance of this wig. It is absolutely stunning. My type of wig. I only used a little bit of my wax stick just to lay some of the flyaways down. It didn't have a lot, so you didn't really have to do much with that. I put my concealer in the middle with a parting space just because I usually do that all the time because I'd rather not pluck there. I'd rather just do the illusion that it is plucked. So yeah, y'all, that's about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.
In a drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the vibe, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We ain't had shit yet, it was magic, yeah.